Hey, what's up, guys? So, I am testing out one of my new toys. I'll show you guys in a sec. Hold on. Give me 1 sec.
A few moments later.
Yeah, all right. So, I just got for Christmas. First of all, let me start by saying I hope everyone had a fantastic Christmas. I have some new tech toys. I'm really excited. This is from my wife, and she picked up the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which is this camera that I'm filming on right now. And I also have the wireless mic, so I'm testing the audio. This is a complete, basically, pilot run of all this new stuff. I figured, let's look at a fragrance that she actually picked up at Marshall's, and this is one that I had wanted to try for a while. I came across it a couple times. Maybe there was something else there that I wanted more. She was just happened to be shopping Marshall's, and she found commodity leather. So this is one, again, I've tried a few commodity fragrances that I really enjoy. Bergamot is one that I have in the collection. I've tried Vetiver and a couple others. So yeah, let's bust this open and see if it's any good. Now, a couple of you guys had said that this fragrance is worth grabbing, that it's kind of a really, not unique take on leather, but I think a bold one. So again, I don't know what the notes are in here. I'm not sure if it is smelling like any other leather fragrances, but for the most part, when it comes to leather, it's not often you get a unique leather fragrance. A lot of them smell like one another, so I figured what better way to test out this camera than trying a new fragrance that she got me. So you have commodity leather, and that's pretty much essentially what you're going to get from commodity is these kind of straightforward presentations. So, but I do like the bottle. I do appreciate the simplicity. Nice. Trying not to get cologne all over my keyboard here. So, okay. All right. This reminds me of something. In the air, it's reminding me of something. You know what this is actually reminding me of a bit? Is John Varvatos dark leather. Yes, that's what this is reminding me of 100%. In the air, it has almost like a boozy leather vibe to it, which I'm really liking, and I love that fragrance. Immediate first knee-jerk reaction impressions is that this is close to that scent, which is harder to find. It's more expensive. So yeah, let's see what this does off of skin. Okay, yeah, this is potent stuff. This is pretty strong. This is actually the strongest commodity fragrance that I've smelled. So when you guys have said this is sort of an edgy leather, I get it. There also is kind of this hint of maybe oak moss in here. It has a little bit of an old school vibe to it. Very strong, very powerful. Might even smell a bit dated, but not in a bad way. It kind of reminds me of an old school fragrance with a ton of leather, which is an interesting take. I like it so far. Has that clean smell to it. There's probably some carnation or something in here. It definitely has an old school vibe to it, which is not what I was expecting. The leather isn't as strong as it was in the air, but again, in the air, I was getting a little bit more booze than leather. Now that it's drying down a bit, I am getting a little bit more of that leather in here. I want to take a look at the notes. Let's see. I don't know if my wife is going to like this one. She likes leather fragrances, but she's not crazy about like old style, old school type fragrances at all. So I do want to try more from the house and just see what else they have to offer, because the couple that I've tried, I've really enjoyed. All right. So one thing right away, Rodrigo Flores Rue was the perfumer on this, and I really like his creations. And as a matter of fact, that would make sense that this compares to John Varvatos' Dark Leather, because I believe he was the perfumer on that. I could be wrong about that. So the top notes are leather, juniper, oregano, myrrh, Mid notes: myrrh, juniper, cacao, akigala wood, and the base notes are styrac, cedar, labdanum, and Haitian vetiver. So I'm curious to see if anybody else compared this. Okay, so yeah, the first two fragrances under this perfume reminds me of Unfragrantica are Dark Leather, and actually Dark Leather being second, and Dark Rebel Rider, which I haven't smelled that scent before, but Rodrigo Flores Rue was the perfumer on that, and I believe he was the perfumer on Dark Rebel as well. Let's confirm that. Yes, so he was also the perfumer. So yeah, there's no question, immediately upon spraying this, it smelled like Dark Leather. So if you guys have wanted to try Dark Leather, maybe it's just out of your price range, harder to find, which is incredible to me because I actually found that fragrance at a Burlington a couple years back, maybe 3 years now, for like $10. So incredible value. But this scent, let me see how it's changed on my skin. Settling in a little bit more, reminding me more of Dark Leather. It's that black, edgy, rough around the edges leather. It's nothing really overly smooth. Does have a warmth to it. It's a little bit spicy, but also has a clean scent, undertone to it. So this works. This is going to be for a guy who's confident, very masculine fragrance, and really unique take on leather. I like this. I'm happy to have this in the collection. Yeah, I'm curious to see what my wife thinks. I don't know if she's going to like this one. You know what? Let's go see what she thinks of this scent. I'm not going to put her on camera, and now that I have this new Osmo Pocket 3, I can kind of take this with me. It's a great vlogging camera. So I'm just going to let her smell this off of my skin and see what she thinks. But I don't think she's dressed right now, so she's not going to want to be on camera. Amanda. Yeah. Yeah, I'm filming right now, but I want you to smell this one. This is one of the ones that you just grabbed for me. And I want to see what you think.
I like it.
You like it? All right. Little kiddo, too, wants to smell it. What do you think?
Is it good?
You like it? All right, that's two people that like it. Here, let's ask my other daughter. Here, do you like this one?
I do try.
All right, I guess that's a no. All right, well, overall, I think this one is quite possibly a hit, especially for, as I said, people that I gotta look in the lens. Sorry. Especially for people that have really wanted to try Dark Rebel from John Varvatos. Amazing fragrance. I really like it. I don't think it's redundant because this one has much more of an old school feel to it, but I like how the leather's used here. So I'd be curious to know, have you guys tried commodity leather? Again, she found this at Marshall's for $24.99. $24.99, and excuse me while I have it right now. I have it on face track, so it's going to track my face before anything else, and I'm looking at the screen again, and I don't want to be doing that. I want to be looking right here. So let me know. I'm going to get more practice in with this thing. I think it's really cool, and I'm going to check the audio and all that and see if this worked out. Hopefully this video sees the light of day, but I hope you guys had a fantastic Christmas, and look forward to more content coming in 2025. I'm super excited. I'm excited for where the channel is going and what we have planned for the future. I think it's going to be amazing, and I want you guys to come along for the ride. So if you like what you saw, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell notification so you're updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.